Hey, how do you feel this, sir?
Fuck off.
What was the classic snoring you did a minute ago?
You woke me up. You deserve all the snoring I'm going to give you tonight.
So we'll be back later on the Hotel's Most Dangerous Moments as Chris Hughes prepares to sleep. He's been letting a few rip, and we'll come back later and see how it's going on. Watching some National Geographic kind of extreme show. It's obviously extreme. Anyway, we're still waiting for Chris over here, Mr. Hughes, to produce some great snores, and so far they've been very disappointing, as we will see. You see, absolutely silent. When the bugger can make them rip when I'm asleep, yeah, they'll come out. But when I'm awake and with a camera here, no, not a sound. So anyway, maybe later on we'll get some better snores. Signing off now, Ruskoff from Daytona DVD. Finally, it appears that we have a normal snore pattern emerging here from Chris Hughes. Yep, it's a normal snore pattern. So let's go and get a bit closer so we can get here, okay? As you can see, this is obviously pretty disturbing if you're trying to sleep, so I'll get a better picture and try and get even closer there, okay?